Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word covenant. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The two companies signed a covenant, promising not to disclose each other's proprietary information. A covenant is a formal agreement or promise between two parties to abide by certain terms or conditions, often legally binding and enforceable. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.